Howdy, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. Got the January blues? Yeah, feeling like maybe some tacos, but you don't have the taco shell? Well, how about we try this? I call it Taco Casserole. Tacos without the shell. Come watch how I make it. Follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Ah, the joys of being the cook. Ah, that's better than Taco Bell. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.